blue and orange coaster, that guys is the Jaguar. Also located in Fiesta Village, the Jaguar and Montezuma's Revenge were two of Knott's first coasters. We're now coming up on Knott's newest attraction, the Windseeker. Standing at over 300 feet tall, the Windseeker is taller than Supreme Tree, making it Knott's tallest attraction. Once you at the very top, you have a beautiful sweeping panoramic view of all of Orange County. We're now coming up on Reflection Lake, situated under the Silver Bullet, which you can see going around and around. Reflection Lake is also known as the cell phone graveyard. Right behind Silver Bullet we have the log ride. With no height requirements, the log ride is a great ride the whole family can enjoy together, especially on a nice warm Southern California day like today. Is about to blow the engine right now, so it might get a little loud. And there she blows. Located in Camp Snoopy, Sierra Sidewinder is the first coaster of its kind and the only one of its kind here on the West Coast. It's unique because it spins a full 360 degrees while in motion the entire time. Alright campers, we're now pulling back into the station. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. Once it has, feel free to unhook those yellow chairs in front of you and exit to your left. Thank you and have a wonderful rest of the day here at Camp Snoopy and Knott's Berry Farm.